What's up, guys? So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to install this tire on this bike back here. So off camera I did fix this tire up. This is how it used to be. Look, it had holes everywhere. So I took this off, I put this tire on. So now all I have to do left is attach it to the bike. So that's what today's video is gonna be. As you can see right here, closer up, this is the chain right here. This is the chain pulley, and that is the gear where the pedals are, so the chain can move. So what I'm gonna be doing here is the bike studs are gonna go right there. So now I am going to put it in. So what you want to do is put the tire in like this, and then push it all the way up. And then I do have brakes all the way down here. See right there, I hope you can see it. Those are our brakes. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna squeeze this tire in there, if I can get it unstuck. Oh, okay, there we go. Now what I'm gonna do is just squeeze it like this. Bam. And look at that. Automatically, it just went in the hole. So now all I have to do left is, well, just put the bike bolts on it. So I did already take off the bolts. The bolts are right here. So what you want to do to take off and put on a tire is, first you need to get a wrench, and then you need to find the right socket. So for me, I needed a 5/8 of 5/8, or which you can say 16 millimeters for the socket. So now what you want to do is put the bolt on the stud, if I can get it on there. Wait, and that's already made one mistake. So before you put the tire in, you do want to make sure that the chain over here, that the chain is lined up to the gears. And you can see I did not do that. So now what I gotta do is take this tire out, turn it around, and you can see here, these are all the gears where the chain will go on. Now put the tire in just the same as last time. If I can put it in there. Yeah, I messed up a little bit. Oh man, there we go. So now it is right in there, stuck. It won't move now. So now is the time where I put in the bolts. So now you want to put in the bolt. So you want to go all the way up to the end. And then you're going to grab your winch with the correct socket on it. And then you're going to come over and make sure it is on the tighten. So it should Whenever you turn it this way, it shouldn't make that clicking sound, but whenever you turn it this way, it's locked. Okay, so now I am going to tighten this up till it's tight. You do want to make sure it is really tight though, so the wheel would have no chance of going off. I think one more should be good. There you go. So now that's one side down. So now I do have it on the other side. So you want to do exactly the same thing. As you can see, it isn't all the way down, and that's because on the other side it's all the way down. So what you want to do now, it may be like this. So what you want to do is make sure the tire is straight and it has no chance of moving. So move it like this. That should be good. Now what you want to do is put the bolt on, just like last. It's going to be the same thing like last time. Put the bolt on all the way to where you can't tighten it with your fingers, and then tighten it with the wrench. There. Now that is awesome. It's a perfect fit. So what you want to do now is get sorry about that. So what you want to do now is to get a pump. It does not have to be electric, it can be hand pump, but the hand pump I use is broken, so I do have to use an electric one. It is good because it does tell me the PSI, so I can follow the PSI. And well, let's get to inflating the tire. Okay guys, so now I do have the electric pump plugged in, and as you can see here, I plugged it in already. I do advise y'all to turn down the volume on your device because it is loud. Okay, so right now it is at 0 PSI. Hope you can see that there. So I'm gonna do it until it gets at least nothing over 20. Okay, so I'm starting at 3, 2, 1, 0. So right now it is at 10, so I'm gonna do it a little bit more. So now it is at 19. I know that is 4 over, but it is hard. So that means it did inflate, so I don't need to inflate it anymore. Thank you for watching today. Guys, I will post the video. I will post a video of me replacing the tire, so y'all know the process that I took to doing it. Hope you enjoyed. Bye bye. So I replaced the tire and put it on. So now all I have left is to put the mechanism on back. To put the chain back on the gears.
And initially the bottom chain will go underneath the like this. Okay, it doesn't matter where you put it, in what gear. These are gears. Doesn't matter which gear you put it on, and then you do it like this. There you go. Yeah.
So now
that space, and just have to bolt these.
So now as you can see, there is space between the chain. So now once you pedal, the gear will move, so the chain will move, spinning the back tire.